Expression. So what do you mean by an expression? An algebraic expression is a group of letters and numbers linked by operation signs. I will give you one example. So when you have 2x plus 4y, you can see here the letters and numbers came together, right? Letters and numbers are coming together. They are linked by operation signs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or you can use any mathematical operations here. So this complete thing is called an expression. Okay, for example 2b plus 5c, okay, and 10x plus 5p. So like that, when letters and numbers are coming together and also which is linked by some mathematical operations are called expression. So I will give you one more tip for terms. So here for this expression we have two terms. One term is 10x, other term is 5p. Then one more example I will give you, 10b minus 4c. So this is an expression. Okay, this is an algebraic expression in which we have two terms. One term is 10b and other term is minus 4c. I hope it's clear for you.